Now I'm taking the model into ZBrush. For this part, I sped up the video just to show the process. Nothing too crazy, just a quick cleanup to smooth out some rough areas and refine the overall shape. The goal here is to make the model look a bit cleaner and more polished before moving on to the next step. I'm using a mouse for this process since I couldn't find my pen. It's a bit annoying, but it still gets the job done for this quick cleanup. I'll be using this small LED night light for the project. I measured the circumference to make sure the model will fit perfectly around it. Created a cylinder and scaled it up to match the measurements of the LED light, so it fits just right when I print it. Next step is printing it out to see how the final model looks.